Hi friends, welcome to KCR Minds of YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about what is SPR MQ. SPR MQ allows application programs to use message queuing to participate in message-driven processing. Application programs can communicate across different platforms by using the appropriate message queuing software products. MQ is used for exchanging the information between two applications. 1. Without using MQ, the exchange of information is difficult. The second advantage is MQ is one of the middleware technology. Third advantage, middleware technology means mediator. MQ is a platform independent. What is middleware? Software that facilitates exchange of data between two application programs within the same environment or across different hardware and network environments. Advantage of SPR MQ. Common application programming interface, assured message delivery, time independent processing, integration and scalability, and asynchronous synchronous messaging support, independent operating system, point to point messaging, publish and subscribe messaging, request and replay messaging. Assured and one-time message delivery. Communication can be secured using one-way or two-way SSL. Message-driven processing as triggering. Assured and one-time message delivery. Communication can be secured using one-way or two-way SSL. Message-driven processing like triggering. Programs communicate by sending each other data in messages rather than calling each other directly. Messages are used to transfer information from one application program to another application. Messages are used to transform information from one application program to another application. A message is a string of bytes that is meaningful information to the application that use it. The application running on same platform or different platforms.